Here's how to play Roblox on a school Chromebook in 2024.
Now go ahead and click
Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe and bell button, and come join my Discord down in the description if you happen to face it.
Go ahead and click the link down in the description to get to this website. Once here, go ahead and copy the first code and the only code on the site. Hit Ctrl+C, go ahead and paste this in a new tab and hit enter. Once on the Easy Fun page, go ahead and click the login button at the bottom inside and go ahead and sign up for this account. Good. Now Easy.Fun allows you to play Roblox for free because it depends on ads to be monetized. So go ahead and turn off every ad blocker you have on your Chromebook. Now once you've turned off every ad blocker, just wait for it to restart and then go ahead and click on play on browser. Good. Now as you can see, Roblox has now loaded on my Chromebook and it's loading as you can see on the screen here. Now you can go ahead and click on the sign up or the login if you already have an account, and then we can move and start playing. The amazing thing about easyfun.gg is that it allows you to change your graphics whilst playing this game. So you can change it from balanced to ultimate to smooth. All this works. You could also use your keyboard involved in the gameplay. Another interesting thing is that you can control the sound and you could get feedback and enlarge this all from the bottom and with all the features they've given you. Now if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like, subscribe and bell button, and come join my Discord down in the description if you happen to face a problem. With that said, it's your boy GG7 Plays, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.